Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. So today we are going to talk about some upcoming projects. And as you can see, I did cut all my hair off. It feels so much better, I have to tell you. My puppy is doing great. He's feeling right at home now. He's getting into everything, chewing things up, doing what puppies do. And he's down here with me right now. So you can see his tail. So Jax is with us today and he is so cute. Come here, Jaxie. Come here. They want to see you. Come say hi. Come here. Come and say hi. So this is Mr. Jax. And this is my little puppy. Say hi, Jax. I know. He's such a sweet baby. Huh? Okay. I know you love mommy. I know you do. Okay, so, anyway. I figured I would share the puppy with you. Also, I haven't really worked on anything in the craft room this week. I'll tell you why. Number one, I have been doing an overhaul on my website. I think I told you this last week. We talked a little bit about me making a move over to Patreon. I was originally here on YouTube. I had memberships here on YouTube, and I would like to thank everybody who has supported me here on YouTube. It just made more sense for me to move to Patreon at this point and to be able to serve you better. I could offer more perks, and things like that, and I could offer more bonus content that way. So that is why I made the move over to there, in case you were wondering why. So I have also been sitting down and been doing my planning. So I've got my planner out and I've been planning out our projects for the next 6 months. So it's going to be fun. I have a lot of stuff that I think you're really going to like, and I am changing things a little bit in the way that I do them. So you'll see a little bit of changes here coming up in the future. Nothing drastic or anything like that, but just little subtle changes to how the channel works and how my videos are presented and whatnot. So I just wanted to share that with you. So anyway, I'm so glad you're here with me. Make sure you give this video a like so that YouTube will share it. And don't forget to subscribe, because when you do, you get notified each and every time that I upload new videos. All right. So I am super excited to show you this. This is a fabric haul that I did yesterday, actually. It's been really hot here. My allergies have been going insanely crazy. And so I needed to get out of the house because I had such a headache yesterday. And I thought, well, I'll just go to the fabric store and see what I can find. And I found some real gems. So I am just going to show you this fabric. This is like my favorite fabric. Isn't this beautiful? This sunflower fabric. Isn't that gorgeous? I am so excited about this. When I saw this, I had the perfect project in mind when I saw this. And this will go with it. So, yes, let me show you what I'm thinking for this, okay? Because I think you're going to agree. Do you remember when I made this tote for my birthday back in April? I got these fabrics to make these totes. I am so excited to do it. And I'm actually thinking that this might be our stitch and sip project. So I'll release some more details as we get down the road here, but I'm going to show you the fabrics that we have. I picked this one up just for fun. Isn't that cool? Super cute, right? Love it. And then this one is another one of my favorites. I have to admit it. Really do. Check out this really cute watermelon cherry lemonade fabric. I Just reminds me of summer so much. It's so cute. I think this is a Kimberbell for some reason. I want to say that this is a Kimberbell fabric. Yes, it is. I could tell by just the way it kind of looked. So this is called Red, White, and Bloom by Kimberbell, in case you're interested and you want to grab it yourself. The sunflower is, I'm sorry, I never remember to tell you the names of these. This is Solana by Robin and Pickens, but from Moda. So that's what that one is. And the green one, not too sure. Just hang with me here for just a sec. I'm getting to it. Doesn't even have it on here. This one is Lewis and Irene Threaded with Love Bumbleberries. So that's what this green polka dotted fabric is. All right. Now that we got that out of the way. So I got this. I guess I should probably explain. So with this sunflower fabric, I would use this as my lining. The green goes inside of the bag. And then I would also do it on the outside here for the handles. And also for the binding around this bag. That's what I would use for that. For this one, I have Moda Grunge, and these are the polka dots. And so this is gonna go on the inside of this little bag, and also, like I said, on the straps and then around the binding, just because I think it looks really cute. I got another fabric as well because I thought it was adorable. And I spent way more money than I wanted to, but I really didn't care. And here's another one. So this is a Kimberbell design. This one is called Vintage Boardwalk by Kim Christopherson of Kimberbell Designs for Maywood Studios. And this one is really cute because it's all summer stuff. It's bicycles, swimsuit, ice cream cones, little bags. Super cute. And I probably just grabbed a fabric from my stash because I have so much fabric to use anyway that I would use for the lining and for the border, for the binding. Because see, this bag takes binding around it. So that's probably what I would use that for. Just so you know. I currently have photographs in here in case you're wondering why it's so heavy. All right. Also, I bought these little ribbon embellishments for the bags that we're going to make. And when I did this one, just so you know, if you look really closely, you can see this part right here. This is a different piece of fabric. You can use ribbon, you can use rickrack, you can use anything that you have. But I used a piece of fabric and just made it work. I will have the pattern for this. This is a free pattern, but it will be in the Patreon, in the patterns for that. So make sure you check out my Patreon page. It is The Crafty Author, and the link is down below in the description box. So everything you need to know is in there, okay? So there's that for the bags. And then I got myself the new Cricut holder. So they came out with a roller. They came out with a brand new machine, the Cricut Maker, I think it's the 3. And I'm not buying a new Cricut machine because I have 2 Cricut Makers and a Cricut Joy, and I don't need any more Cricuts. And I have the Cricut mug press, which I do love, by the way. I got that for Mother's Day. But they came out with this roller, and I got the roller because I don't know if you have this issue. If you have a Cricut machine, you know what I'm talking about. So all the rolls of vinyl come in a roll, and it's really hard to keep them straight sometimes. So this actually is supposed to work really well with the Cricut Maker 3 and the Cricut Explore Air 3. But like I said, I'm not buying those machines. So I went ahead and I bought this roller anyway, because it will allow me to be able to cut my vinyl even though it's on that roll, and I won't be able to use it with my machine necessarily. I'll still be able to put the roller in here and use the blade to cut it off. So I won't be sitting there fiddling with it while I'm trying to, you know, cut a piece out for my mat. So that's why I got this Cricut roller. If you're getting the Cricut Maker 3 or the Cricut Explore Air 3, kudos to you. I'm super excited for you because it's really fast and awesome. And I'm also a Cricut affiliate. So if you want to get this, then I say go for it. And if you use my link, I will make a small commission. And I do appreciate everything that you do because it helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring really cool projects and for me to afford fabrics. So if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video, and keep on crafting. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.